We are on a train that no one actually loves. This is Anthony. You can't see him because it's so dark and my camera's trash. And then, yeah, he's introducing.
I told you about this earlier.
Them to me. So
today we are actually going to be riding a train on what I think is what to believe a.
Still doing his intro.
Videoing the whole thing.
This is like an older train right here.
Old steam engine train.
It runs off of steam, which is not surprising at all because it's getting. And no one loves it, so yeah, you're just gonna see us going down the road of gayness.
You guys should go download Clash of Clans #sponsor.
Bruh. Alright, so click that subscribe button.
Click the subscribe button and don't forget
and hit that notification bell. I hope you enjoy this video, you pieces of shit.
And don't forget to go follow D-Snake Ass.
That's not my YouTube account. It's AssDick911. Dayton
AssDick911.
And then follow Anthony something. I'm not sure.
Just go follow me.
Just go follow Anthony.
Subscribe. Yeah, not follow.
Anthony something.
We're new to this, so I won't tell if you want to tell.
Bruh.
I've been up 6 days.
Hello, random person that nobody loves.
I don't know.
Gay person. Lesbian.
Okay, look at your camera compared to mine.
Shut up, Anthony. No one loves you.
I've been up 6 days. I don't got no rest.
I must not have night mode on. But yeah, sorry if my camera is absolutely terrible because this is a kernel version phone, so don't judge me, okay? Why are you so mean to me? When is the train gonna move?
Look at that night vision.
Newt vision.
Yeah, well, you just gotta click it, right? Okay.
Newt vision.
Click it somewhere and just turn it up.
Newt vision. Newt vision. Oh my god. Oh my god.
There we go, now I'm
oh my god.
Well, good evening, everybody. Thank you for coming out to ride
Starting.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hello, random person that no one ever loved and no one ever will love. This dude pissed in my sink. This dude pissed in my sink. My sink. And I am 13. I live on 122 West St. Joseph Street. If you're a girl, hit me up. I don't have a telephone number, okay? Because I'm just too cheap to buy a data plan, so fuck you.
Starting.
And if you're a slut, call Anthony. What?
What? 269. 269.
She said, keep your hands in the train. I went.
269-883-9088. Phone number. Oh, we're moving, boy.
We're not moving yet. Oh, now we're moving. Okay, we're moving now.
Bro, that was so much steam.
It smells like weed.
Look at that.
I can't see any of it. Good thing you're getting on it. Wait, I wonder if that file is still. See if that file is still like coming on your phone.
I can't right now. Yeah, it was at like 58% or something like that.
It's a horse pole. Ooh, very scary. This actually creeps me out a lot.
This should be like
creepy, donna, creepy. Hey, look, a minion that no one loves. Oh my god. I'm going blind. So am I. Kill me. Warning, close and clearance. Said keep your hands in the train. It's out of the train, bitch. What you gonna do? Oh my god, it's so
I can't wait to get pizza.
Weird. Thank you so much. That's actually pretty creative. I want to know who made those. They're like, it's like, not dildos, they're anal-beans, but it looks like they're like icicles, but they're actually just, they're just plastic. They're plastic lights. Oh, this is fucked up. Yeah, no. Hey, look, Jesus, baby Jesus. I finally got to see Jesus. My dream came true. Very dark and creepy over there.
Okay, explain what I'm looking at on this screen.
I don't like that bear. He's really creepy. Hey, look, it's Thomas.
Wait, we're taking pictures. It's the hill.
I hope we don't fall off this cliff, cause if we do, I will fucking die. Oh, yeah, holy fucking shit.
Cliff.
A literal cliff.
I've been on 6 days. I don't run over.
Yay, we're away from the cliff. We're not gonna die. That scares me, falling off a cliff. Inside a vehicle. Why are we stopping? Why are we stopping? Why are we stopping? Why are we stopping? Bruh.
Hey, that was none of us.
You can't see it, but there's steam over there. And you can't see my finger either because I'm pointing at the tree.
It ended because my power saving mode's on now.
Oh, that's nice. I'm glad my phone doesn't have that feature. Oh my gosh, kill me.
Right when we pick up speed too. I'm trying not to drop my phone.
Yeah, over there is a really old bridge. It would take you to the other side of the park, but they closed that down a long time ago. And this place right here burned down. Yeah, we're on a bridge right now. There's a tree. There's Santa. There's Mickey Mouse dressed up as Santa Claus being an idiot.
Close clearing or something like that. It says.
Close clearance.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then this old shed that's actually really creeps me out. It's literally the same as our basement wall, Anthony. Look at that.
It's like the Aztec, but with that mulch stuff on it.
Exactly. Hey, look. It's a nut. Oh, that's the old entrance of the park.
Oh wow, this is a fail.
Look at Santa. Why is he so mad? He scared shit out of me. Hello. We're not done yet. We get to go by that extremely creepy cliff one more time.
Wait, we do?
Yes.
What the fuck is that?
I think that's Santa.
No, is that a human? Randomly dancing?
I'm not sure.
I've been up.
Why are they
6
beating
days,
up the reindeer?
no
Don't beat up the reindeer. It did nothing to you. Stupid game. What?
I've been up 6 days.
Oh, I don't like this at all.
My phone's at 24%, guys.
My phone's at home and I don't even have one, guys.
My phone's at 5% and it's still doing everything it's supposed to do.
Lexi, you're like the only one in the house that don't have a phone besides the babies.
That's actually sad. And the babies,
Well,
each one of them
I would have had a
actually
phone
do
if they
have
didn't
phones.
reset it like a dumb butt.
Oh, by the way, your phone is gay.
I know it is.
Oh yeah, and when I found it in your truck, the battery was out of it and it was dismantled.
I know.
That creepy ass teddy bear. I swear to God, I will shoot you. I will shoot you. You come near me, I will slit your neck.
I think they do this for Halloween too.
What?
Yeah, they do.
Was it scary?
No, it was actually gay. They should have done the Halloween one for Christmas and done the Christmas one for Halloween. This just scares the shit out of me. And there's that cliff again.
Is that a man hanging? That looks like a man hanging on your screen. Look.
It probably is. Oh, that's just probably the super glue. Or is it? Oh my god, look at that dinosaur. I want to die.
Stand on a jetpack. That is not humanly possible.
What do you mean it's not humanly possible? Oh.
Santa's fat ass wouldn't be able to get lifted up by that.
Shut up.
Imagine being on a real train.
This is a real train, you faggot.
You know, like one of those huge that carry.
Well, you'll never get a chance for that. You wanna know why?
What?
Because they don't make them anymore, stupid fuck.
So, but they still exist. They still have rides on them.
Yeah, like this one.
No, like
It's Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse fuck house. Come inside, there's hoes inside. It's the Mickey Mouse fuck house. With Mia Khalifa and Slut Lady.
Caution, student driver.
Oh my god, no. Caution, student driver. What is Santa doing? God. Why is he so evil looking? So that will wrap it up for this video, guys. See you later. And make sure you click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And don't forget to like.